Reality TV star and polygamist Musa Msaleko has sparked a conversation online after seemingly throwing shade at critics following his wife Thobile Makhumalo's recent radio interview. During an appearance on True FM on 8 March 2026, Makhumalo surprised many listeners when she revealed that if she had the chance to start her life over again, she would still choose to marry Musa and embrace polygamy, saying she has no interest in trying anything or anyone else. Her comments quickly went viral, especially among fans of Uthando Nesthembu, who have watched their marriage face many challenges over the years. Clearly flattered by her loyalty, Musa later took to Instagram on 13 March to react, posting a throwback photo of the couple and joking that Makhumalo had upset many people by saying she would still marry him even in the next life. While some fans laughed at his playful caption and praised the couple for staying together despite their struggles, others continue to encourage Makhumalo to choose herself, especially after Musa previously faced a backlash for controversial comments about her fertility. Even so, the couple still have supporters who believe their marriage can overcome the tension and hope they will rebuild their relationship away from the spotlight.